What's up guys? Justin here from Crown Rally. We just got the ski box. We're gonna get the winter tires put on the car. And at long last, all of your Black Friday special merch is getting shipped out today.
Cheers.
Excuse me, sir. This is my job. You're taking my job.
Do a better job.
We gotta go put the tires in the Jeep now.
Hey, we gotta go put the tires in the Jeep now.
Hey Tanner, can you help us?
I got you.
Hey, Tanner, we gotta put the tires in the Jeep.
Do we have to put the tires in the Jeep?
I have to film. You have to do it.
All right. We have some RS6 wheels for sale as well.
Is that a customer's wheel? You're just trying to make some money on it?
That's right.
You got your dirty hand gloves on?
Yeah, can't get these things dirty.
You are so ridiculous.
I got typing to do later.
Oh my God.
We're gonna mock up the ski box, see how it looks. I can't wait. This is the best thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Cold start on the Lambo. We're gonna meet you guys at Green Garage.
Only with a wrap shop in the country of Minnesota do you get stuck behind a tractor. Hey man, nice car.
Oh, thanks, brother.
What's
I like yours too.
What's the retail on one of those?
That's like 35.
You're supposed to say more than you can afford, pal.
That's like 35. You gotta watch my other video where I talk about it. $35,000 Gallardo right here. Arguably free. I'm banking money on this thing. Get it together, man.
Oh, here we go. Try to knock me down. Try to take my crown. Look at me now. Yeah, look at me now. Yeah, look at me now. Yeah, look at me now. Yeah. They try to knock me down, but I got up somehow. Yeah, look at me now.
What's up, boys? It's Nick.
How are you? Yo, you guys snuck up on me today.
Let me tell you guys a little story. So way back when Crown Rally was first founded, and Nick was one of our very first sponsors, came on as our biggest sponsor back in the day, and has stuck it out ever since. We love hosting him, we love hosting his crew, and I love getting my cars fixed here. All right, the car's been in the back for almost 5 minutes. I can't believe nobody's come out here to tell us that it's done yet, so let's go see what's up.
We're gonna bring Nick with us, and we're gonna throw these on a 3-arm machine on a new one, and we're gonna make this happen. New machines at the other location.
Good news, you have so many locations. 4. It's only a mile away.
Yeah, it's just down the block. It's my competitor. We're gonna use this machine.
You know you've made it when you compete against yourself.
Yeah.
You know how you know you're a mechanic? Is when you own mechanics gloves, which I do. I don't have any of their tools yet, but I got their gloves, like 6 sets.
You open up Justin's closet.
It's all gloves. No, my toolbox. It's just a row of gloves.
No tools.
So this is the Marathon Station, Nelson's Auto Repair 2. It's our second store. Just a little 2-bay, pumps, convenience. We have a nicer machine here, so we ran over here quick, which is just down the block from our other bigger store. So we can swap some Lambo tires.
Lambo.
Is he gonna winter drive this thing? What's
I
his
hope.
plan?
I hope so.
Shot montage.
Shot montage.
What do you want? Where the hell did Justin get used Continental Winters in 20-inch size? Of course he did. Used one. They're gonna do nice burnouts. I'm supposed to be over there helping my guy, and you got me out here telling stories. Well, on April 15th, it was a busy day like any other. We were hanging out here. Everything was boarded up back then. You know, we went through some hard times here. Dude robbed the gas station. He came busting out, fell down, money flying everywhere. Dudes come running out talking about, he robbed me, he robbed me. And I made a conscious decision. I was like, I'm just gonna let this dude go. He ran, jumped in the car. I thought he was gonna take off. Dude gets back out of his car and starts chasing Rocky. Ran towards the gentleman, decided to stop him. I started macing him, and I was close to him. I'm like 3 feet from him, macing him, walking towards him, and he starts reeling backwards, and with his eyes closed, he pulls the pistol out and pulls the trigger, like right here, bam, in one motion. The bullet went in my left thigh. The pistol was pointed down, but the bullet went in my thigh, did a U-turn, and came out right here. He fell down, went after him, he ran off, and then I got up and ran around the pumps and ran right in the store.
It's almost 5 p.m. and we forgot about lunch, so we are going to get some. It's snowing outside. I just got new winter tires. We're taking the Lambo.
Can I have some food now?
Yes.
I got my mittens. I'm ready to get stuck. I'm so prepared for this.
You are prepared. Were you an Eagle Scout?
Yeah, obviously.
I brought nothing. I don't even have a jacket.
You don't even have a coat on.
Yeah.
We're at Culver's. She's trying to order food right now. One of the most annoying things you can do while someone is trying to order food is make it so it's inaudible.
On one of those, can you hold everything except pickles, ketchup, and mustard?
What was that?
All right, so I got lunch for the office at 4:30 p.m.
Yep.
And I forgot to ask anybody what they wanted. So I just got a bunch of stuff, and this might be really difficult. I can't reach.
Have you ever seen a Lamborghini in the snow?
I have not. I was asking him about it. He said he got winter tires, so gotta get the winter tires.
In typical fashion, the Lamborghini does not have cup holders, so Justin gave me all the drinks. Thank you. There you go, little buddy. Hang on. Thank you. Justin.
Sorry, my apologies. I did not see you guys coming. Sorry about that, dude. Thank you, appreciate it, man.
Got it.
Gripped it. Gripped it.
Alright guys, well, that is it for today. We've had a blast. I got food for the crew. Unfortunately, I just looked at the clock. Everybody's gone home. So, Bo and I have about 7 cheeseburgers, 6 orders of chicken nuggets, several shakes, and 9 large sodas to consume ourselves. We're about to be sick, but it's worth it. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys.